So here's my attempt to fix a Candy Grando, let's get that fixed, Goc 580C tumble dryer. You can't see it at the moment. I have put the kill switch on just by the fuse over there. But all of the lights here and this one all been flashing. Now that does result in an error code, but basically the symptoms are that the drum is rotating on a normal cycle, but there is no heat being pumped into it. Now after a little bit of research, it seems like this is quite a common error. And it seems to be this part back here, which is the heating element. Now the silver bit you can see there is just the casing for it. The heating element actually just sits here. There's a little turbine here which sucks the air in and out. So this element I just need to, it's quite an easy fix. Just going to take off these screws around here. There's about 10 in total roughly. Just a normal posi drive screwdriver, and we'll see how we get on. So what we have here, that's the new part which should be going on. Quite straightforward connectors. This was brand new off eBay, a little bit bent in the corner, but that shouldn't matter too much. This is about £23 delivered, which is pretty good actually. And for this, I've got a mini little Lamborghini screwdriver with a little posi head on the end, and a pair of pliers, which I understand will be required for that bit there to pull out the new one. Let's give it a go. That's it, that's that plate off. Right, this bit comes off here I believe. Let's just pull through I believe. I know, I have to do that clip first. This just pulls through nicely. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors. Beautiful. Okay. Let's take this one off. Pops off like that, quite simple. No lint and anything like that, so hopefully it'll work. And these just working out, I believe. Yeah, pop. So black. Do we have the same connectors and I'll just check? Yeah. Black. White. Yellow. Red. Perfect. It's on now before it falls back through, because that'd be quite a big problem if the cables fall back through, because this is all sealed, so you will not be able to get this cable back out easily. So let's put it back on there. 1. Yellow. 2. I'm going to do that one back to front, that one. Just goes inside like that. 2. Whoops. Yep, the wrong wire on there. That's a black one instead. That's it. It's not a mistake you want to be making. The red one there instead. Red. black, and white. Awesome, so that's a new one done. Connectors are on nice and secure. These are two thermostats, I believe, as well, so the whole thing needs replacing. And does that go on like that? Yeah, it does. Got the wrong one then. Oh, because that corner is a little bit bent, I'll tell you what I'll do the other corner and then it should come up to shape a little bit. Okay, lovely, he's on. Nice and secure. Beautiful. Just as mentioned, what I haven't done there, I haven't put those back through, so put that one back through. Put that one back through, that one back through. That one back through. That one back through. I suppose this is going to be the difficulty with this. I am not entirely sure how I'm going to be able to connect that. I've shorter than stick my finger through there. So it might be that I just leave that, making sure it doesn't touch the drum on the inside, just push that down as much as I can. I'm not entirely sure any way I can really otherwise do that. But it should be fine. Because it's not connected to that turbine there at all. Okay, so let's pop this back on. I just be careful, but the edges are really sharp on that. Okay. One more to go. That's it. No, with that one, there. Drop it in. Okay, so let's turn this around. Turn it on, so hopefully that's not done now. Adjust the camera a little bit, can you see that? Yep. Turn on the kill switch. That one. Now, there's nothing in at the moment, and you shouldn't tumble dry nothing, just air. But I'm just going to test to see if the heating element works. Just for purposes of filming, that's 2 tumble dry balls. Lovely and warm. Fixed. Thank you very much. I'll pop a link on the description from where I got it from, but that's saved me best part of a couple £100 for a brand new tumble dryer, which was a relatively fix. Bye!